Hello, this is Jason, and I'm at the Hin Bus Depot. And this is an old bus stop that they changed into like a, I guess, art center with cafes. So let's go see what it's all about. Oh, stories. I'm not going to read all that. Flybys. Everyone in here taking pictures. Man, there's a novel. I need to get the Cliff's Notes. A little outdoor area. We got some music. Man, some cameras of yesterday. I probably had a lot of those myself at one time. We got film cameras there too. Place is pretty busy. Some art on the walls. Everyone's selling their wares and crafts. Got a good breeze going. Got a lot of fans.
Specialize in like sharp trade.
Definitely a cool use of the space. This could have been just a old abandoned bus stop, but they turned it into something useful that people want to come to. Kinds of different stuff. Sorry. It's pretty. Some knives. used to collect knives.
And not forgetting, finally, all the guests that are here today, that includes you, the ones that travel 10,000 miles away, the ones that travel 10 kilometers away from the house, just to come here and show their love instead of rolling in bed, instead of sleeping at home. Instead of going out, you guys are here. Whatever that they do here, thank you so much. And on behalf of the band, we'd like to say thank you to each and every one of you for joining us here at Hin Bus. We're not band this time out here. Once again, thank you, Hin Bus.
About $3 for a smoothie. Oysters. $10 for 3 oysters. So this place is kind of a tourist trap for those prices. Not so much a local market price. Free tasting, now we're talking. Cal soy, it's one of my favorites. A little under $5. Still got some Thai food here. That looks pretty good. Bread with some dipping sauce. Wagyu, $5 a stick. Not a very big stick either, but it's A5 Wagyu. It's expensive stuff. Main bread, $2.50 for chocolate chip cookie, carrot cake. $4 for carrot cake. $5 for a burger. It's Wagyu. Not A5 Wagyu, but Wagyu. Pizza. Beef lasagna. Pretty cool. You get a latte for about $3. All right, I think we saw it. It's a pretty cool place to come check out, walk around. If you're interested in buying any crafts or snacks. Not the cheapest prices though, but it's a cool space. All right, well, that's all I got for this one. So thanks for watching and talk to you later. Take it easy.
Don't even think about it.